Today, you'll learn a real-life English conversation about renting an apartment. Let's improve your speaking skills. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I am looking for an apartment to rent.
Sure. I have an apartment available.
Really? Is it still available?
Yes, it is.
That's great! Can I see it?
Of course. Please come with me. This is the living room.
Wow! It looks clean and spacious.
Thank you. We cleaned it yesterday.
I like the large windows.
They let in a lot of natural light.
The room feels bright and comfortable.
Yes, many people like that.
Is this apartment furnished?
Yes, it comes with a sofa, a dining table, a bed, a wardrobe, and a refrigerator.
That's nice. I don't have much furniture.
Then this apartment may be perfect for you.
Can I see the bedroom?
Certainly. This way, please.
The bedroom is bigger than I expected.
It also has a large closet.
That's useful. I have many clothes.
There is also an air conditioner.
That's good because summer is very hot.
Yes, it keeps the room cool.
Can I see the bathroom?
Sure.
It looks clean.
Everything was checked before you came.
Is there hot water?
Yes, hot water is available all day.
Wonderful.
Now let me show you the kitchen.
The kitchen is beautiful.
It has many cabinets for storage.
Is there a microwave?
Yes, there is.
Is there a washing machine?
Yes, it's in the laundry area.
That's very convenient. Is the neighborhood safe?
Yes, it is very safe and quiet.
Are there any grocery stores nearby?
Yes, there is one just across the street. There is also a pharmacy nearby.
That's convenient. Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, it's about a 3-minute walk.
That's perfect because I don't have a car. I really like this apartment.
I'm glad to hear that.
How much is the rent?
The rent is $1,200 per month.
Does that include water?
Yes, water is included.
What about electricity?
Electricity is not included. Electricity is not included.
Is internet included?
Yes, high-speed internet is included.
That's great. Is there a security deposit?
Yes. It is equal to 1 month's rent.
Can I get it back when I move out?
Yes, if the apartment is clean and nothing is damaged.
I understand. But the rent is a little expensive.
I understand. A 1-year lease reduces it. Would you like to rent it?
Yes, I would.
Great. Please read the lease carefully. Please sign here. Done. Congratulations! The apartment is yours now.
Thank you very much. When can I move in?
You can move in this Saturday.
That's wonderful!
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. I can't wait to start my new life here.